What's up, y'all? It's your girl KP and I'm back with another video.
This is all they got. No, it's not a false alarm. It's an alarm.
So I need them to go ahead and cut the check.
Okay, if you know Cooks and you know Andre, so much latex done built up on my lips at this point.
Today is December 31st, so it's New Year's Eve. I'm getting really excited. I am hosting at my place. This will be 3 years in my condo, so I just feel like I need to be doing more hostings. Like, what are we talking about? And I'm a little extra. I'll be very honest about that. It's never a little gathering. So I'm gonna take y'all behind the scenes of me putting everything together. I will put a few clips of the party, but mostly just the planning. So number one mistake that I've made so far is that I didn't write down an invitation list. Okay, I had this epiphany probably around November that I was gonna host New Year's. I made the flyer and I just started sending it out. Okay, here's the flyer right here. There's nothing wrong with that, but because I didn't make an invite list, I did not keep up with how many people I invited. Like, I'm looking through text threads like, did I send them an invite? Did I send them an invite? So the attire is pajamas for the party. That don't have nothing to do with the theme. That was just something my friends brought up and I was like, I mean, I guess. Sure. So I went out and bought these cute pajamas from Amazon because I'm the host. I have to do it big. Now, the importance of an invite list is to know how many people you are catering to. So basically, when I'm buying materials, buying food, buying cups and plates and things like that, I need to know how many people is going to be here so that I have enough. But this morning, y'all, I went and picked up my order, my catering order from Chick-fil-A. At this point, see, y'all make fun of these videos, but this could be a sponsor. I need Chick-fil-A to sponsor me. I've had them do like, I don't know, like 3-4 events at this point. Well, no, I've had them do at least 5 events at this point. So I need them to go ahead and cut the check. But this time I got the chicken minis. I think it's so funny because this is considered a breakfast dish, but it's not a biscuit. It's a roll. But keep in consideration, because it's a breakfast dish, I did have to pick it up this morning. In total, I paid $53 for a large tray of chicken minis. I also got some serving tongs, which is perfect. That's why I don't even stress about little stuff like that, because I know they're gonna give it. But I learned early on that it's too much to try to cook the dish or dishes, okay, and be prepared for people to show up. Yeah, so I just do catering every time. And I probably do 1 or 2 things, like a side dish or a dessert that I'll actually cook. And that's something that I can prep the night before. So the next thing I'm gonna work on is these grapes. I actually had them soaking in some lemon liqueur. A lot of people is using like Prosecco and champagne. I don't know if I wanted that burst of like soda flavor. But I did want to put them in something. I can't say if I did it right because I just seen a video of her punching holes into the grapes and I did not do that. Okay, so I'm just adding some sugar on top. Get them nice and coated. Granted, I haven't had green grapes in a very long time. They are really, really sour. So I think that the sugar is gonna be perfect. I'm gonna just shake this up. Get them nice and coated. I'm gonna put them on this tray and then put them in the fridge. I bought these like a week ago. They browning already, but this would look like. Let's try one. I don't taste none of the prep that I did. This is the final look, girl. All right, let's move on. Now you can't do New Year's without champagne, so I got 3 bottles of that cooked. Now one thing about it, if you know Cooks and you know Andre, you are a bruncher. You are a bruncher, and I see you. I'm putting these in the fridge because one thing you cannot forget is to chill your liquor, okay? But child, I'll be back in a couple hours because work trying to work right now on the 31st. Bye.
She moved out of state, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she wanna know, start a business.
So here is my bin that I have. I recently went through like everything, threw away everything that I don't use, and I consolidated it down to this. So I got these 4 foil French curtains, the little streamers that they hang up. And then I have some number balloons. And I think I'm gonna put a few things on my clear trays. These are like clear display trays. I think you can search up like cake trays. I need to make an Amazon. Somebody put in the comments, remind me to make an Amazon storefront with this category, hosting category. Oh, y'all see I changed. It gets so cold in here to me until I start moving around, then I get hot. But hopefully the audio is good with my new mic. But we about to do these balloons. I got my Amazon balloons ready to go. I keep on trying to look up different methods to tie the ends. And the best that I got is rubber band, because y'all see my nails. I don't have time to be doing all that. But I need to put the string on them and then a little sticky on each one. Starting at 240. I'm taking a break, child. Somebody send me a helium machine, because, girl, my lips is done, okay? Lungs must be on 10, because I don't know what I was thinking. 24 balloons, girl? I'm taking a late lunch. It's 4:12. But y'all seen the chicken minis. Y'all seen the grapes. And then I am doing chips and dip. That's like so basic. Like everybody say, oh yeah, just do chips and dip, whatever. So I already had bags of chips. So now I'm about to order some dips from Chipotle. One thing for sure you cannot skip when you hosting is taking care of yourself. Because, girl, you'll be passed out on the floor somewhere. Like, for real. You gotta stay hydrated. I've been trying to drink my water. So much latex done built up on my lips at this point. I'm in need of some Vaseline, and I'm trying to stay hydrated because I want to be able to enjoy tonight, not be dead. I'm going back and forth. I don't know what I want to do. Originally, I did not know these was this big, so I was going to put them over top the counter like this. But I feel like this is too big. But like, imagine this right here. You can still get your food and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Or should I do like how I normally do it and put it back here on the counter? Move this out the way. Y'all, my balloons is deflating. I don't know what to do. I'm having a little breaking point right now. Like, it's just no way. The literal 6 is deflating. It's a hole in it somewhere. I don't know where. What am I supposed to do with this? Like, I feel like I'm gonna come home and it's gonna be completely gone. This is a fail. I'm gonna have to let it go. I keep on trying to inflate it, and it go out, inflate it again, and it go out, inflate it again, and it go out, inflate it again, and it go out. I can't take it anymore. But enough crying about the situation. As y'all can see, the sun is going down, so I don't know how I'm gonna get the lighting situation to look like something, but I have to go and pick up the cake. I plan on doing an accomplishment cake like y'all seen on TikTok. Here's an example right here.
Hi, my name is Olivia, and I recovered from 2 surgeries, and I'm healthy and happy.
Pickup is at 5 o'clock. Let's go. It's such a pretty sunset. Look. Look. So pretty. But now we are into everybody calling my phone time, where I don't even have time to talk. But if people do have important questions, I do need to answer, you know. But let's go pick up this cake. Alright, y'all, I'm trying to look in here, see if they have anything. Of course, this is just like getting ready for a birthday, Valentine's Day kiosk. Girl, it's giving. Do I look stressed? Because I am. This is all they got. This is all they got. Andre. All they got is Andre. Andre ain't enough. So we might just have to put the cake out as decoration. Excuse me. Oh, and I have my receipt. Sorry. Here we go. Thank you. Oh my. Oh my gosh, y'all! Did I break the camera? Now I'm finna cry. I dropped my camera in there, like on the lens. Look how blurry y'all are. OMG. Girl, I just needed to wipe y'all off. Okay, let's not play though. No, because none of autofocus is acting funny. It's like, it's picking me up right here. Picking me up right here. And then when I go over here, blurry. Ah!
Justin.
And this year we got engaged.
I traveled abroad for the first time this year, and I got my RBT.
Hi, my name is Kianya, and this year I got a new job that makes me more ready. I'm Christian. I got into grad school, and on one of my final papers I got a 100. On the other one I got a 96.
Oh, my name is Maya, baby. I refinanced my house.
My name is Jada. This year I got an opportunity in marketing with great pay.
I'm Katie. I became a QMHT. I got a job as a crisis manager.
Charlton. I started my PR services this year.
My name is Kendra. I am the host. Everyone knows me as KP. This year, I niched down my social content, so I'm really excited. I traveled more this year. We went to 3 countries, 5 states, and 10 cities. And I opened a business.